This King of Cups is in love with you. This person has never before experienced a love so deep, so pure before with anyone until they encountered you. This person has so much depth and they feel like they can connect with you on a deep spiritual level. Maybe you and this individual have conversations and this person is intrigued and they admire your emotional intelligence. They feel like they have finally met their match. This person is very compassionate and empathetic, and they see those same traits within you, but they hold back. They've experienced love before, and it caused them a lot of tension. It brought a lot of burden into their life. There was a lot of competition within their connections from the past. And this person also sees that you generate a lot of hysteria. They feel like it could be a risk to entertain this connection with you. So they may hold back because they feel like you have many suitors and it makes them extremely unhappy. For some of you, I feel like this individual feels as though you could trigger them into an area of emotion that they're not ready to quite experience, and they feel like you have the capabilities to really hurt them. And they fast forward into the future and they think about the pain that they would experience if they were ever to lose you. They don't want to lose you, regardless of how this connection is with you. They don't want to lose you, and they feel like, for some of you, if they got into a relationship with you, then you have the potential to hurt them, maybe because of these other suitors that are vying for your attention. For others of you, it could be that this person just feels inadequate to be with you. This person sees you as strong, powerful. You know, they've never encountered a person like you before. Someone that wears their heart on their sleeve, but has the resilience of a lion. They may only feel comfortable with talking with you and hanging out with you in groups of threes or more, because they don't want to let their mask slip that they are, I'm hearing Olivia Newton-John, hopelessly devoted to you. Such a beautiful song, by the way, guys. I just have to add that. But they're besotted with you. For some of you, this is someone from your past. You may have dated this person when you were much younger. They still hold a candle for you. And that could be, confirmation for some of you, because I remember Grease came out in the 70s, right? So maybe some of you may have dated this person in the 70s. Maybe you went to high school or college with this individual and they're still in love with you. You were their first love. Hashtag Faith Evans. She's got a song called First Love. You may want to go and check that out. Beautiful track. But yeah, for some of you, I feel like, excuse me, this individual feels like you were their first love. For others of you, I get a sense that this individual, see how my tone's changing now. They feel so jovial. You have ignited that feeling of falling in love for the first time. So even if this individual has fallen in love before, it's not to this extent, I don't feel, but also you are making them feel young again. You're triggering feelings within them that they felt was dormant. And I feel like this person had a very negative outlook on love, because they've been through a lot in regards to love. Maybe there was a lot of conflict, arguments, in their previous relationship, and it ended very badly for this individual. You know, this person was very burdened after this past relationship, and you have reawakened them to love again. You know, this person feels like you are the type of person that they can grow old with, settle down with. They see you as an old soul. They see you as their muse, in a sense, a sage. It's almost as if they feel like you have all the answers. So if you had a conversation or many conversations with this individual, and this person feels like you are so knowledgeable, where'd you get this information from? You know, this person feels like they can keep their secrets with you. They may have told you secrets that they've never told anyone before. And you may have found that when they've done this, they hide. They hide after, and you may feel quite confused because you have brought a lot of things to light within this individual's life, things that were kept hidden. You have illuminated a lot of truths to this individual, and they feel like because you can see through others and you can see into situations and give them answers, in a sense. And I don't feel like it's just one way. I feel like it's two ways, right? They feel like you can see within them and how they truly feel. And for some of you, they're not ready to accept how they feel about you, but they can't deny that they feel so ecstatic and alive whenever you come around. You are just so high vibrational to this individual. You're this big ball of energy, this big ball of happiness, excitement, possibilities. You make this person believe in many possibilities that they felt were out of reach. And your connection with this individual is slowly transforming them, and they are resisting change, and they are in the process of ridding of the old version of them. And the old version of them had many deep-rooted fears, and they were operating, you know, maybe quite toxic in previous relationships, maybe quite toxic in their connection with you. They are transforming and re-emerging into someone that's more mature, someone that's embracing their emotions and not running away from their emotions. For some of you, this person could be getting some type of therapy, counseling, or they're doing the inner work themselves. You know, this is heavy shadow work energy I'm picking up. And I feel like you have triggered this awakening within this individual. And this person feels a strong magnetic pull towards you. Even if they have tried to downplay the connection, they can't stop thinking about you. For some of you, they've ended the connection abruptly, but they still get drawn to you because you are the embodiment of love. And this person may have hurt some of you in the past because they were operating in ego and they were trying to downplay the connection. So they may have played in your face with other people or tried to give you an idea within your mind that they were interested in other people. That was their way of pushing you away because they felt like you were too regal for them. They felt inadequate to you. And by them trying to downplay the connection and what you actually mean to them, they connected with others that were not a match to them, which they knew internally. And this may have hurt you. And unfortunately for some of you, they connected with people that may have been jealous of you. So their fears were working through these other individuals who were also jealous of you. So you may have felt like you were getting ganged up on. And they may not have known that they were operating in that energy of being fearful, of feeling inadequate. So that vibration connected to people that felt fearful and inadequate with you also. So in that sense, they were aligned to these individuals. And Spirit wanted them to embrace their truth and re-emerge from their fears. But they succumbed to the fears within and ended up shattering the connection before it even got off the ground for some of you, because some of you just walked away, didn't want to tolerate the disrespect, fixed your crown and focused on yourself and turned your back, which left this person feeling very burdened. Yeah, it may have hurt, no doubt. And you may have closed the cycle with this individual. And went into a new timeline of prosperity, success. Some of you moved country. Some of you changed jobs. Some of you moved home. And this person was forced to focus on self and on growth. And they are focused on their career, stabilizing themselves. But they're realizing that money doesn't make you happy because it's bringing them a lot of burdens. Their family life is bringing them a lot of burdens. What they ran towards to forget about you, money, friends, going out, partying, indulging, etc., didn't work because they want to reconnect with you. They see you as their one true love. For some of you, you have given this person hope again. They feel a strong friendship with you, a telepathic connection. They find you nurturing, motherly for some of you, and not in a detrimental way, but they find you non-judgmental. They've never experienced this type of situation with anyone before because their acceptance with others always came with conditions. And this could be in regards to even a mother. You provide a type of love that they've never felt before with any partner, their own mother, the women in their life. And that's one of the reasons why they ran away, because they're not used to your type of love. Your type of love is loving this person back to life. And some of you are not with this person, but by you loving yourself, it's making this person love you more, because you're showing this person your value, and this person wants to reconnect with you. They want a new beginning with you. They see you as so free-spirited, so high vibrational, so unique and different. They've never dated anyone like you before. They never thought anyone like you will come into their life. You know, this colourful and eccentric personality. Someone that vibrates on another frequency. They're closing out cycles. They're putting an end to being in solitude in a sense. For some of you, they may have gone through their 9-year cycle. You know, 2025 was a number 9 year. And for the collective, you know, we all closed out a 9-year cycle. This is the Hermit card, number 9, you know. And this individual may have passed a test by going within, being in solitude, being in hermit mode, hence why you both couldn't come together, because it wasn't the right time. And you yourself may have went within, but this person has closed out cycles. They're not the same person anymore. They went within and connected to their true star, as opposed to seeking outside validation from others who try to hog their star and keep it for themselves. This person is ending connections with those that they use as a crutch to validate them. This person is stepping into their power. This person is a leader. This person is aware that in order to stand beside you, they will have to find their confidence from within. Work through their fears, transmute their fears. They are aware that they are at a stage in their life where things will never be the same again. And that's part of the fear. They know that to step into a connection with you will change things forever. And it does keep them up at night. And they think about all the options that they have. Options in regards to, okay, if I go towards my butterfly, then my life will be like this. People might, talk about me and my reputation at work and my family and what will that mean? Like, there's a lot going on here because we've got the 9 of Swords. And this person doesn't want you to judge them because this person knows that they may have acted like an F-boy or an F-girl. They know. Or an F-boy because it's about masculine energy. And, please take what resonates because some of you could be in the same gender relationship with a female and your partner could be the masculine and your partner could be showing up as the King of Cups. So please take what resonates. But this person feels like you judge them on an intuitive level. They do feel judged by you because they feel like they did do certain things that were unjust, and none of us are perfect, but they also fear being judged by others. But they're stepping into a new phase whereby they're going to think to themselves, everyone has free will, but with the 9 of Cups here indicates that they're going to be in an energy of, I just need to go towards my wish fulfillment. I need to focus on what makes me happy because this person does things that make other people happy, leaving them feeling burdened and bogged down, restricted, depressed. So they will be going towards a new beginning of stability, trying to stabilize their mind, their life, their pentacles, and they're coming for you.